We'll guide you through how to set up Claude on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Claude website using your preferred web browser. You need to create an account if you haven't done so already. Look for the Sign UP button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click it and fill in your details like your email address and a secure password. After signing up, check your email inbox for a verification email from Claude. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, go back to the Claude website and log in using your credentials. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see options to customize and configure Claude to your liking. To set it up for the first time, click on the Settings or Customize tab. Here, you can adjust preferences like language settings, notification preferences, and any integrations you might need. If you plan to integrate Claude with other tools, look for an Integrations section. You'll often find popular options like Slack or Google Calendar here. To connect an integration, click on it, and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize access. Make sure to save any changes you make in the settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you've configured your preferences and integrations, you can start using Claude by navigating back to the main dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.